Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro, the home of power, precision, and passion for true automotive lovers. Today, we're diving into something that's rewriting the rules of what a pickup truck can be, the all-new 2026 Mack Pickup Truck. For decades, Mack has ruled the highways with its legendary semi-trucks, machines built to pull mountains and last a lifetime. But now, Mack has decided to take that same DNA, the power, the strength, the unstoppable attitude, and put it into a luxury pickup that's ready to conquer both work and play. This isn't just a truck. It's a bold declaration of dominance, a mix of raw power and luxury so refined that it feels like a Bentley that can climb a mountain. At first glance, the Mack Pickup 2026 looks like something out of a futuristic action movie. Its design is big, bold, and beautiful in its own rugged way. The massive front grille wears the iconic Mack Bulldog emblem like a badge of honor, finished in matte titanium that gives it an indestructible, almost military look. The LED headlights are narrow and aggressive, slicing through the darkness with laser precision. The front bumper is a fortress of design. Thick steel, active air vents, and skid plates that hint at its off-road capability. The hood bulges with power lines almost like a flexing muscle, while the wide body and massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels plant it firmly on the ground. The side profile is muscular yet refined, with a blend of sculpted metal and clean aerodynamics. You get retractable door handles, power running boards, and an optional carbon fiber trim package that adds a sport luxury vibe. The doors close with a soft electronic latch, no slam needed. At the back, Mack has gone for a bold, modern look with full-width LED taillights, an electric tailgate, and dual exhausts integrated neatly into the bumper. The tailgate even has a built-in foldable workstation and hidden storage compartments for tools and gear. The truck bed itself features a power tonneau cover, LED lighting, and a unique self-cleaning liner system. Perfect for those who use their truck hard but still want it to look flawless. You can get it in colors like Thunder Black, Polar Silver, and a deep metallic blood red that's exclusive to the high-end Bulldog edition. Everything about this exterior screams presence, purpose, and perfection. Step inside and it's like entering another world. Mack has managed to blend the toughness of its industrial roots with the refinement of a luxury lounge. The moment you open the door, the cabin greets you with soft ambient lighting and a wave of premium craftsmanship. The seats are wrapped in high-grade Napa leather, stitched by hand, and feature both heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The dashboard is a masterpiece, minimalist yet high-tech. The 17-inch curved OLED touchscreen dominates the center console, giving you full control over everything from media to climate and even suspension modes. The digital driver display is equally stunning, offering crystal-clear visuals with customizable layouts for off-road, sport, or towing modes. The steering wheel is thick, wrapped in leather, and features a flat-bottom design with aluminum paddle shifters, something you'd expect in a supercar, not a truck. The center console houses wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and even a hidden cooler for your drinks. The rear seats? Just as impressive. They recline, heat, cool, and offer more legroom than some luxury sedans. The panoramic glass roof stretches from the windshield to the tailgate, giving you a full view of the sky. Perfect for road trips or just enjoying the stars. Sound insulation is top tier, and the 22-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D audio system turns every drive into a concert. But a Mack is nothing without power, and the 2026 Mack Pickup takes it to extremes. Under the hood, you get two brutal engine options. The first is a 6.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine putting out 760 horsepower and 830 lb-ft of torque. An absolute monster. Hit the throttle and you'll feel all that torque surge instantly, launching this giant from 0 to 60 mph in a stunning 4 seconds flat. The second option is Mack's hybrid powerhouse, a 4.4-liter turbocharged V6, paired with an advanced electric motor, producing a combined 650 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque. The hybrid setup also gives you an impressive 27 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient high-performance pickups ever made. Power goes through a 10-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts and seamless torque delivery. The advanced all-wheel drive system continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring perfect traction on snow, sand, or rock. The adaptive air suspension can raise or lower the truck depending on terrain. You can lift it for off-roading or drop it for high-speed stability. The handling is surprisingly sharp for a vehicle this size, thanks to active roll control and variable steering. It feels stable, smooth, and confidence-inspiring whether you're on highways or dirt trails. When it comes to capability, the Mack Pickup 2026 is in a league of its own. With a towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds and a payload of nearly 4,000 pounds, it's one of the most capable trucks ever made. But it's not just brute strength, it's smart strength. The truck features a self-leveling trailer system, automatic load balancing, and AI-assisted towing mode that adjusts engine output and braking to match the trailer weight. There's also a 360-degree camera system with drone integration. Yes, a built-in drone that can follow the truck and stream live footage to your touchscreen. It's perfect for off-road navigation, parking assistance, or even creating your own cinematic driving footage. On the tech and safety side, Mack didn't hold back. You get lane centering assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot detection, collision avoidance, night vision, and automatic parking assist. There's even facial recognition for unlocking the truck and starting it without a key. The onboard AI assistant, MackPilot, not only handles navigation and climate control, but learns your driving habits over time, adjusting suspension, throttle sensitivity, and even cabin lighting based on your mood and time of day. It's like the truck knows you. Now, all this power, luxury, and technology doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mack Pickup starts at around $92,000 for the base model, while the high-output V8 version sits at around $135,000. The top-tier Bulldog Elite Edition, with full carbon fiber accents, diamond-stitched seats, and exclusive tech upgrades, can hit $160,000. Expensive? Absolutely. But considering it outperforms most super trucks and matches luxury SUVs like the Range Rover and Mercedes G-Class in comfort, it's hard to argue that it isn't worth it. The 2026 Mack Pickup Truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution. It takes everything Mack has learned from a century of building heavy-duty machines and fuses it with cutting-edge technology and first-class luxury. It's a truck that can conquer mountains, tow cities, and still make you feel like you're driving a luxury sedan. Mack didn't just build a pickup, they built a new benchmark. So tell us, if you had the keys to this powerhouse, would you use it for work, adventure, or just to flex on the road? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insane reviews right here on Auto Rush Pro, where power meets perfection every single time.